In this video, I will show you step-by-step the creation of a simple free AI tool for your website. It will bring you additional leads, allow you to learn more about your customers, and also increase SEO optimization and reputation for your brand. Let's consider a simple example of a website for an IT agency specializing in business process automation. It's a simple landing page. In the end, usually we can see form or just call to action. Let's significantly increase customer engagement by adding an AI tool instead of common form. That will be much more interesting to your clients. It will provide them useful answer, gather leads for us, and inform us about the client wishes and problems. Knowing their wishes, we can send them a personalized offer, and thus, in addition to increasing the number of leads compared to usual form, the lead to client conversion rate will also increase. To create such tool, let's go to AiiCX service. Here we can start free. Here we need to create some useful AI tool for our client that we can embed on our website. For example, here we should put description of our business. So let's go to put business automation IT agency and click generate ideas for our AI tools. Here we can see some ideas, but also if we don't like these ideas, we can create our own idea for AI tool. For example, free AI business automation ideas. So our client is just a business who wants to automate some business process. It will be very useful for him to know additional business automation ideas about his business. Maybe he will get some not obvious automation ideas for his business. Just click generate. Here we should register in the AiiCX service, so we can just sign up with Google. Our tool is generating now, and we need to wait a little bit. So after 10 seconds, our tool has already been created. Here we can see preview of our AI tool. Also, we can test it now. We can see here fields type of business, current business processes, business sites. Our client will fill out these fields at our website. If we want to edit these fields, we just click edit. We can delete or add some fields. For example, I want to add new field budget, because for generating some business automation ideas, it's necessary to know the budget for this automation. And also, this information is very useful to me. Budget of my client. Based on this, I can understand, is it worth for me to work with him or not? So we can see here 5 steps of setup AI tool. If you want to change something in your AI tool, you can edit here some settings. To publicate this AI tool, you need just copy this script and paste it in HTML of your website. After you do it, you can see AI tool on your website. Let's now imagine that we are clients who want to automate our business. So we find this website, and here we can see free AI business automation ideas. And it's very useful for us. Let's check how it works. Let's click generate. So I put information that we are HR agency and we find candidates on LinkedIn, handle them manually. We have 15 employees and budget $5,000. Let's click generate. So after the answer, we can see here a simple form for collecting leads. There are 2 types of strategies for collecting leads in the AiiCX service. Before the AI answer and after AI answer. Now it's after AI answer, but if you choose before, you will have lead for every answer from AI. So we put here as a client our email address, phone number and name. These fields also customizable. If you want just collect email address, you need to delete phone number and name. It's your AI tool settings. So let's put our lead information to receive free assessment on automation our business and click submit. After it, we can see here new lead, and in the results page, we can see this lead information. There is very important point. When creating AI tool fields, think about what you want to know about clients and create corresponding fields. For example, my agency is about business automation. So I would like to know their problems and budget, why they want to automate their business. The user will fill in this form truthfully because they want to get the correct answer from AI, which will be very useful to them. Based on this information, we can understand whether it is worth working with them, and if yes, we will make an individual offer focusing on their problems. This is a very significant, not obvious advantage of using AI tools.